Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and every day we cover up-to-date news, technical analysis, we highlight hidden gems so you can go do your own research and make a ton of cash and get in super early. If you like making money in crypto, hit the like button, subscribe, tap the bell, select all notifications so you never miss a video. Right, with all that said, let's talk about what we've got covered for you today. So we're going to be covering everything to do with PayPal and lots of news around Coinbase, and it's bullish news, I kind of feel, but you let me know in the comments below what you think about this news. For me, I've talked about adoption and how much I'm seeing in the space at the moment. I think it's remarkable. We've got Bitcoin making tremendous strides, and it's all gearing up for absolute immense FOMO. So really looking forward to getting to read your views and opinions in the comments below. So do let me know what you think. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Let's get into it. So this is the first one I'm going to start with, and that's Coinbase. So Coinbase now lets crypto buyers use Apple Pay. And I did talk about Apple and what I believe was going to happen around Apple Pay integrations for crypto. So slightly different take on it here, but Coinbase now lets crypto buyers use Apple Pay, and they can also cash out up to $100,000 at a time. So this is really remarkable, and there's a little bit more to this, so a little bit more of a twist. So let's get into the article here. So crypto exchange Coinbase has started allowing US customers to buy cryptocurrencies using Apple Pay, with Google's payment service to follow soon. So this is all really remarkable stuff. People with Visa or MasterCard debit card linked to their Apple wallet will be able to use the digital payment system for purchases on the platform. The company said in a blog post on Thursday, Google Pay will be integrating into the system in the fall. So this is really, really bullish news. At the same time, Coinbase introduced a service to allow instant withdrawals of up to $100,000 per transaction at any time of day, with no limit on the number of cash outs. So for me, this is again fantastic strides from Coinbase here, and very well needed in this space, I feel. So Crypto Exchange said that it's the first to offer instant cash outs via real-time payments, a clearing network focused on digital services that promise immediate settlement of transactions. Until now, many Coinbase customers used automated clearinghouse system ordinarily used by banks and other financial institutions. It said the network processes transactions much slower and can take up to 5 days to settle. Personally, I've always had mine settle sort of within minutes rather than hours or days using the old system here in the UK. But maybe it's different depending on which country you're in. So maybe it's different in the US. Really interested to hear about your experiences in the comments below. For me, this is fantastic stuff. Apple Pay is the top mobile payment service in the US, counting about 44 million users in 2021, according to data from analyst firm 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓. Starbucks, Google Pay and Samsung Pay are close competitors, and then you've got a nice little diagram here to illustrate the point for people that taking information more visually. So Coinbase was the first major cryptocurrency to go public with its NASDAQ direct listing on April 14th this year. Its stock market debut was viewed as a significant milestone for the crypto economy from the point of view of mainstream adoption and government regulation. So for me, this is really bullish stuff, right? And I kind of feel like Coinbase are just going to be the first of many exchanges to potentially look at moving forward with instant payments and integrating Google Pay and Apple Pay. I think this is fantastic when you think of the user bases that these payment rails have, you know, your likes of Apple Pay and Google Pay and so on. I think this is you know, again, another milestone that's being achieved here for crypto and the adoption and making crypto more mainstream. So it's remarkable stuff. So let's move on to the next piece of really bullish news. So PayPal for crypto secures FCA registration. A startup aiming to make cryptocurrency more accessible and useful through its PayPal for crypto service has secured Financial Conduct Authority registration. So RAMP was founded in 2017 and opened up digital assets to more businesses and users. Until now, cryptocurrencies have largely been reserved for enthusiasts, not everyday people, and have been sort of centered around crypto exchanges such as Coinbase and eToro. These services let customers exchange fiat money such as euros, pounds sterling or dollars for cryptocurrency and other crypto assets. However, they are built for users who want to speculate on price of crypto assets and buy, hold and sell coins. This is extremely narrow remit, which RAMP says fails to address the potential of power, the power of crypto, right? So to solve this, RAMP has built non-custodial full stack payment infrastructure through its software development kit SDK. It says any brand or partner who wants to offer crypto embedded services as a part of their business model can easily do so, and it's, you know, easy and secure. Now RAMP Swap Limited, part of the RAMP group, has become one of 9 companies and the first to offer on-ramping and to be registered by the FCA as a crypto asset firm under the money laundering, terrorist financing and transfer of funds regulation 2017. Firms carrying out specific crypto asset activities in the UK must be registered with the FCA. As part of this registration process, companies need to provide evidence of how they're going to run and structure their business, how they market their products, and namely how they protect their clients and customers from financial threat and risk. So, you know, for me, I'm not going to get into the whole article. I think this is all remarkable stuff that, you know, it's all game changing and it's all network effects in order to get the masses into crypto. And we're seeing more of this and more of this every single day. Now, I don't know if you're seeing this as much as I am, but I am here every day looking at the news articles that are flying around, and I am seeing so many sort of bullish markers in the content that's being displayed over the last few weeks, and I'm ultra excited around, you know, what we're going to see in the market over the coming weeks. Right, we're also starting to see altcoins over the last few months starting to take more and more market share in the crypto space, and for me this is really bullish, right? And you know, for me, crypto is an amazing opportunity. We're here really early, and you know, it's just remarkable. We've obviously got everything around ETH and all the news there, which I kind of feel like with the amount of ETH that's been burning due to the transactions and the London hard fork, you know, this has got the sentiment changed within the crypto market currently, and you know, Bitcoin just surpassing the 42k. Whether it pulls back is yet to be seen, but you know, for me, this is all bullish sentiment, and you know, we're going to start, in my humble opinion, in the next few weeks to really start to see people FOMOing into some of these projects. We've got smart contracts from Cardano coming very soon. We've had Singularity DAO launch their beta version, and you know, there's some farm yielding and staking and stuff like that, so do check that out. There's just so many wonderful projects. We've got World Mobile, they're just finishing up their sale in the next week or so. So there's just so much going on in this space, right? There's so much to be excited about. and you know, it's remarkable. So do let me know in the comments, what do you think of this news? Do you think that we're edging closer to mass adoption and FOMO into the market? And if so, you know, what makes you believe this, and what projects are you most excited about at the moment? I am so stoked to read the comments that you put, and you know, see some of the projects that you're most excited about. Really do enjoy reading the comments. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to mash up that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, tap that bell, is really important, select all notifications. This way you won't miss a video. You know, if you select personalized, then YouTube will decide what you receive and what you don't based on the algorithm. So, you know, be sure to select all notifications. This way you're ensured to find out about every gem that we talk about, and we do talk about gems really early before most people do. So if that's your bag, you know, hit the bell. Right, thanks everybody, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.